Vipi Patazoners, so we are unboxing the SKYWORTH BD-320 chest freezer. Okay, it has a capacity of 256 liters and it is going for only 47,950 Kenya shillings. So you can come and get this one right here if you want to store a big volume, a big chunks of meat, a capacity of items that you have. Yeah, so you can come and get this one right here at Patazone. Karibuni sana and thank you for shopping with us.